Welcome back to our YouTube channel here at ArmorTech. Today we've got a Can-Am Defender for you. And coming to our line is our original sliding glass rear panel. But this will pair with the Defender factory plastic roof. Before we dive in, let's have a look at that tool list. From the factory, this plastic panel right here is pop riveted in. You'll want to drill those rivets out utilizing a 13/64 drill bit and get that panel to where you can get that pried back. The bottom flange of the rear will actually go down behind the panel in between the cage. Before we install the rear panel onto the unit, we'll want to go ahead and replace 2 of the 11 1/4 inch by 1 inch tri-lobe thread mover screws back into the existing holes where the pop rivets came out of. Now we just want to start these so the bottom of that rear can go in behind that plastic and be sandwiched between that and the cage. We'll put 2 on the outside and just get them lightly started. All right, and that'll give the notch of that rear something to rest on. All drilled, we'll grab a partner, we'll go ahead and get this piece on the unit. In our hardware bag, we're going to locate one of the 3 mounting brackets that's going to affix the top portion of the rear to the plastic. The bolt holes, slots in the bracket will align with the holes in the rear. And then we'll affix this with a 1/4 by 5/8 Phillips pan head screw, a lock nut, and a flat washer. You want to push in on that plastic just a little bit and get our hardware started, just finger tight. We'll repeat this process in the center and on the other side. Now we'll take our P3 bit and our impact wrench and a 7/16 end wrench, and we'll tighten our hardware down. Now we'll take the rest of our thread moving screws that we're going to place back where the pop rivets were in those holes, and we'll secure the bottom of the rear panel. Your ArmorTech rear is now installed. We hope you like it on your next ride. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch us next time.